Why are you doing this?
Hey, Garfy, Garf. Meow. Lucas got her sister locked in that bag and he's stepping on it. Dude, Aja's in there. Aja queen. Aja, what are you doing? That think about this little life. What are you doing? Up in the air.
Georgie, you can't sleep on my keyboard all day. I have work to do.
Yes! Give me a dick! Yeah! Yes! Yeah!
¿Cómo se te ocurre, Dewey? Dewey. No, Dios.
Your teeth and your paws hurt. They feel like needles. Hi, sweet baby. You don't have a home, do you? Uh-oh. Somebody's mad.
What is wrong with you? Marshall, you can't go outside and see your girlfriends. I'm sorry.
Hi, monkey. Hi. Hello.
cat.
I like to be a peeping Tom, Ken. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
He's not drinking the water. Tastes good? Oh my god, Domino! Stop! Well, I can't, I'm scared to pick you up.
What in the hell is this? He's wearing my underwear. Oh my god, Spud. And I can't touch him. Ay, ay, ay.
Hi, sweet baby. You don't have a home, do you? Uh-oh. Somebody's mad.
That was the cutest hiss in the world.
Just stop licking your penis. Pickle. Disgusting.
Bambini? No. Gatti.
Did you eat my egg?
No, no. Oh my god.
Are you gonna be nice? Okay, Aliko. Aliko. Are you gonna be nice?
ركض بالبيت ما زل على الصوفة زل ويا كلب تعال هون
Jugsy, may I have a snuggle, please? Can I have a snuggle? Thank you, Bubba.
I got that one on video.
Quanto sei bello. Guardate un po'. Quanto sei bello, mio.
I just found out there's an actual clinical name for what you call it when you can't sleep at night and you just eat instead. It's called insomnia.
Kelly, who's that? Dick.
Straight A's. Yeah, but that's only for looks. You know what we do. Are you okay? The new skinny jeans. Everybody's getting them. Are you okay?
I always knew one day I was gonna catch you in bed with somebody else.
What? It's a man. It's a small man wearing a tuxedo. How can you blame me?
Yo, what the hell are you doing? Are you kidding? No, we don't go in the trash.
Cloverbell, will you give that to me, please? Will you drop it in this bucket?
You've gone into the bottom of the house and underneath and you've been running around and now you're covered in cobwebs. Hey, look at you. Good.
Go play. Anywhere but under the stove.
Да, моги, мама. Требую, ладно, полади. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.
This is a f***ing nightmare, dude. Remy, come up here right now. I'm going to freak the f*** out. Remy, come here, please. Oh my god, my poor sweet boy.
You're awfully cute, but you're pretty stupid. You're pretty. Uh-huh. Yeah? Oh.
What are you doing? Get in here. Get in the house. Come on. Thank you.
Little touches. Jesus. What are you doing?
Here you go.
I think there might be something behind that curtain. Hello? Hi. How you doing? Hello?
My dad would love this. I need to make him try it.
Oh my god! Ooh! Ah! Ah! 苏阳，
哎呀，真好看，真精神，一瞅智商都高啊，真好。
Has her face on my boobs and she's making biscuits on my stomach. Ma'am, what?
No. Every 3 months, the police would come and all the hostesses who didn't have visas would have to go out the back door. That felt like a very vulnerable situation for those girls.
Foreign hostesses.
My God, are you homophobic?
一起学猫叫，一起喵喵喵喵，在你面前撒个娇，还要飙飙飙飙。
newest pet peeve. I got probably about a dozen of these. My newest pet peeves is... Girl, get your ass off the counter!
Why, bro? We were having a moment.
Penny baby. Oh, hi. Everyone's wondering, how do you breathe when you sleep like that? Okay.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
And we're walking here, we're cooking, people.
My child is hogging the TV again. Easy with your nails.